Michael's Great Adventure by Alyssa Jalen.
Jorge Alexander.
One day in Sydney, Australia, Michael, a seafood cook, owned a restaurant called the Seafood Basket. He dreamed of having a good restaurant. While Michael was cooking crabs, he realized that he had ran out of clownfish for his customers. While Michael was cooking crabs, he panicked because he found out that he didn't have enough clownfish to serve his customers who ordered the fish on his menu. He didn't want to disappoint his customers, so he told the waiter to tell the customers to come back tomorrow after he goes fishing to catch for more clownfish. Michael announced that he was closing the restaurant until the next day. The very next day, Michael got his boat and net and went to the Great Barrier Reef to fish for more clownfish. While boating, he decided to put on his scuba diving gear and dive into the water to catch the clownfish named Chris. Everybody wanted to catch Chris because they knew he was the biggest fish in the water and it would feed a lot of people. All of a sudden, Ruby the snapping turtle appeared. Ruby looked angry because he didn't want his friend Chris to be caught, so he snapped the net so that his friend Chris would be set free. Chris and Ruby swam away quickly and hid in a cave so that they could play together and never be caught again. While Michael was looking for the clownfish, he didn't see Alex the stingray coming toward him. Alex was swimming close by Michael and accidentally stung his leg. Michael screamed, "Ouch, that hurt! Ow!" But Michael managed to use his arms to swim to his boat. After he got into his boat, he drove himself to the land where the ambulance was waiting for him and carried him to the hospital. After a few months in the hospital, Michael decided to close down his restaurant permanently and retire. Michael got married and had a family and opened up a super fancy seafood restaurant called the Johnsons. Tourists came from all over the world just to eat there because the food was so good. Yummy. Michael was very happy because even though he had a hard time with his old restaurant, his dream had finally come true with opening up a new restaurant and having a beautiful family. Alyssa, editor. Jalen, illustrator.
Alexander, writer. Jorge, publisher.
Fourth grade.